Hey everyone, it's Miss Nicole. I am here for Fun Friday activity. Today we'll be doing sensory bottles. So your finished product will look like this. So what you'll need for supplies is an empty bottle. Feel free to use any kind of empty water bottle. Goo Gone is a good solution to get all the stickiness off from labels. You can also use empty spices. Any kind of crafting jars would be perfect, mason jar. And for my ingredients today, you can use different liquids that you're mixing the water with. So for today, I'm going to use olive oil, but feel free, you can use baby oil, conditioner, clothing detergent is another one. There's different recipes, and I'll attach a link to it as well so you have various recipes. The next item is food coloring. So I just chose green because it's my favorite color. You can find little knickknacks to put in. And last but not least, some water. So let's start. So I'm going to open it up. We always talk about stabilizing with your helper hand, opening with their dominant hand. So you're going to turn, turn. You're going to pour some water in, and I like to do about halfway through. And my water is room temperature or warm water. It doesn't particularly matter though. The next thing I do is put just a couple drops. The more food coloring you put in, the darker it is, and it's harder to see if you put objects in. I'm just gonna cover it up, shake it up. Next, I'm gonna plop some of these they're beads, anything that you have at home, Legos, beads, little characters, anything works, perfect, Pom Poms. And then lastly, I'm gonna put in some olive oil. And so olive oil, it's kind of a fun science experiment, is less dense than water. And as many of us know, water and oil do not mix. So that's why it's separated. And oil will always float to the top. So even if I put the oil in first, eventually it would rise up above it. So then you're going to cap it. If you feel like you want it just to be more secure, you can use duct tape just to keep it so that your friends can't open it. So now you can mix it up. Looks a little funky. And so these are calming sensory jars. Feel free to make them. Feel free to share them with me. I would love to see your finished product. So happy Friday. You made it through week 1 of remote learning.